Hello everyone, this is Rachel. Today we're going to do a makeup tutorial.
Yes, we are.
And it looks like this. There you go. And that's the thing. That's like the finished thing. It's like a golden brown. Do it again.
Pretty?
Yeah. It's very pretty. Now we're going to take a gold color. We've put the eyeshadow base on first. So you're taking a gold color like this and you're going to use a brush that looks something like that. And then you're going to put it in the gold. Yeah. Now shut your eyes, Rachel. And you're going to put it like all over the lid. Oh, I got it in the green. No. Just kidding, I love you. Okay.
Oh, thanks.
And
Butterflies.
I can't really get enough gold on it for some reason. It's being weird.
Dinosaur.
Oh wait, no, I got it. That's get gold. And then, after that, you're gonna take a little fluffy brush like this. Is it fluffy?
Like that?
Yeah, like that.
Not like this. Like that.
Yeah, like that. And you're gonna take a really dark brown. And you're gonna put it in there. And shut your eyes, Rachel. Shut your eyes, Rachel. And then you're gonna put it in the corner.
Because it's an emo and it likes to be by itself.
Yeah. That's why. Take a little bit more brown there. My eyeshadow doesn't like me today. Okay. Hopefully this works now. Okay, we got this. There.
Quack.
Yes, Rachel, quack. Okay. And then you're gonna take this nice peach looking thing, and it's like a pinkish orange, and it's really nice and light and pretty. And it goes like that. And it goes right where you put the brown, like in the middle kind of the eye. Like that. And then yeah. So, and then you're gonna take liquid liner, and I'm using a brown. Yes, Rachel. Okay. Now you're gonna bottle up like this. There you go. I got gold all over your eye, girl.
Hey!
And brown.
It's mean.
Oh well, it's pretty, it's sparkly.
Good.
Anyways, just ignore the gold. It's really bright. Anyways, and then you're gonna go from over here.
That tickles.
Yeah. And make it like really nice and thin. Okay. It's not really a dramatic look, so you're gonna have to make it like thin. And when you're done that, yes. And then you're gonna take an angle brush and you're gonna go back into that brown.
Angles are the enemy.
Oh my god. You're so weird. And you're gonna go over top of that brown that you just...
I see you.
I see you too. Whoa. Yeah. And then you're gonna take that brown again and open your eyes, Rachel. You're gonna put it right underneath. Open, look up. And then you're gonna take that gold and you're gonna put it in the angle brush like that. Got it on the camera. And then you're gonna go right underneath like this. Like you're gonna go right underneath here. All the way over here. And yeah. And then you can apply mascara yourself if you can't.
Where's the mirror?
There's no mirror. I'm gonna see.
What the hell?
I'm gonna test you and see if you're good. Can you do this?
Oh, Jesus.
That's good, Rachel.
Hey.
Okay, you're good.
Okay.
And then,
That was the scariest thing I've ever had to do. Ever.
yeah, I bet.
Thanks, serious.
Then you're gonna take a white. Sorry, I'm all the way down here, but then you're gonna take a white like that, and it's gonna be matte, and it's gonna go right on the brow bone, like so. And then open your eyes, Rachel, and that is the finished thing.
Ta-da!
And sorry, I got like gold under her eyes and stuff. go look towards the light, Rachel, like that. And that's the finished thing. Now shut your eyes. There, that's really pretty. There you go. That was Rachel's face. All right, so this is Monica and Rachel. And oh yeah, take down your hair. Let's see this with your beautiful poofed hair right now.
Oh God. What is this? What is happening?
There you go. There you go. So we'll be back with more tutorials maybe tomorrow or the next day. So goodbye.
See ya. Go home and sleep.